Okay, no, that's actually sick. We're not just going stage 1, we're going past stage 1. We're going kind of past stage 2, you could say. Okay, let's go now. Yo guys, I'm back and it's been so long since the last video. But yeah, today, you've seen the title, we're going to be doing the first drive with the Sports Cat. And you know, if you haven't seen the last video already, I'll link that down below. We basically fit the Sports Cat. And well, yeah, that's literally what we did. We just fit the Sports Cat in it. So we took the old one off, fit the new one. If you want links for that, again, I'll put them in this video as well. I'll put them down below if you want to get them as well. And yeah, so Sports Cat's on. I'll show you guys that in a second, how it looks and stuff you ain't seen in the last video. And yeah, then we got some drive-bys, some revving, I don't know, some inside clips and stuff like that. We'll just get a load of clips of it basically. And yeah. Right, so you guys can see already it's idling. That's just the little light bulb lights because they got LEDs and that's all. But yeah, see it's idling right now. You can't hear it at all. So yeah, so we'll go outside. I'll show you guys the Sports Cat and everything that's been done, and then we'll come back inside and get all the clips. And yeah. Okay, so you can see here. I don't know if you can hear me because it's ticking, but basically that's the heat shield for the exhaust. That's the Sports Cat, and you can see, you can just about kind of see the Sports Cat right there. That bit there. So that's actually the cat itself. It's tiny compared to what it used to be. So I got intake, DV plus, Sports Cat, back bus seat on the back, and then that's like the whole setup for today. And now I might actually be selling this Sports Cat as well, possibly. As a, well, I might be selling a Decat pipe for this car as well, possibly. So plans have changed and stuff. You know, let me go in the car and tell you guys. Yeah, as I was saying, plans have changed and stuff like that. So there might be a Decat pipe I might be selling, and I'll explain to you guys later on at the end of the video. Just let me know if you're interested. Just hit me up on Instagram or something like that. So yeah. Okay, I decided to come back in because it was raining outside. But yeah, if you guys haven't got me on Instagram already, I'll leave my Instagram and TikTok down below. If you're on there, you've already seen the Sports Cat. You've seen all the stuff through it, and you might have actually seen the new plans because I've been speaking to a tuning company, and we went through options, did this and that, went through everything basically this tuning company did, and we decided to go for a certain setup. And how can I say this without giving too much away? I don't know how to say it. Basically, we're going for a lot of power compared to what it is right now. We're not just going stage 1. We're going past stage 1. We're going kind of past stage 2, you could say, and basically we're possibly going into stage 3 basically. And I'm not even joking. I've even ordered parts for it already. They should be coming in a few weeks, I think. So if you're on Instagram, you guys will see them soon. And yeah, this is basically one of the last drives with this current setup. After that, we're going crazy power. So I'm going to do this video, probably doing 0-60 before we get the remap done and everything, just as like a baseline of how it was and then what it's become. And yeah, let's go. Okay, so it gets a couple of revs in. I'll try to get it to pop. I can, but it's rare. So I'll try to get it to pop. The hair is, it's so sick. Wait, no, I heard that. Did you hear the pop on that? That was sick. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, you know, for the Sports Cat as well, because the back of the Sports Cat is obviously like less restrictive now, the exhaust side is, that means the turbo's spinning up earlier, or it's not spinning up faster, you could say, kind of thing, like I'm getting to boost earlier probably. But obviously I won't be making more boost because it's not tuned in. But should be making should get onto boost earlier because the back of the turbo is spinning quicker, which means the front side, the cold side, is actually spinning quicker as well, so it's putting more air in quicker, so it's filling up the intercooler quicker, it should be. Or it's just getting onto boost earlier basically. It should be something like that. So technically there should be a small power gain, and obviously with the remap there will be a massive power gain obviously with the remap, you know, mad stuff happening then. But without the remap there should be a small power gain, but I'm not 100% sure, but let's just see how it is. And yeah, let's go for a drive with the Sports Cat then. I don't know if it's in my head or not, but I just did up a little pull there, I don't know if you guys heard it. And that was, I only went to 3k, and it did start to pick up to 2K, I'm holding 2K right now. Floor it in a second. Now. Oh my god, it picks up. What the hell? Oh my god. That had more boost than I expected then. Yo, what the hell? Okay, that was kind of sick. That was kind of sick. Okay, come to a roundabout now. I'm going to go around the roundabout and like slingshot it. See how it sounds. Hopefully there's no traffic. Okay, let's go now. Oh my god, what the hell? It completely changes the way the car drives. Like, that's actually sick. That's actually sick. I won't even lie. And you guys hear how loud it gets. It's not like stupidly loud. Well, sure, when you get past 4K-ish, 4.5K, it does it quite loud. I saw a blacked out 5 Series and thought it was a cop. Oi, nah. That's actually sick. I won't even lie. It picks up mad. You can hear, you know what you can do? You can hear it when it changes tone from turbo's not fully open when it's opened up. Like when it's fully opened up, you can tell the difference. It actually makes a sound difference. I don't know if you guys can tell from the inside. I'll show you guys outside clips as well. But it's I don't know, there's something about it. It's not going right. It's like it's just too high pitched for my liking. I want to have it a bit deeper, so I might put a back box on if I have to. Okay, so let's see how the turbo spools up there now. 1.5K revs, foot flat. I'm gonna let it just build, going forth, still building. Peak boost now. That's about 2. No, now there we go. Felt it now. Yeah, about 3K there. I'd say about 3.2 it looked like. I think I couldn't pay attention to the road as well, but it felt like about, I think it was 3.2k-ish, and I know standard it comes out at 4 from what I know. That's what I heard from someone. Apparently peak boost is at 4. Yeah, if our turbo's spooling up that early and it's filling up the intercooler that quickly, I think we need to go for a bigger intercooler. We go for a bigger one, and then we need to find a way of cooling the air zone. We need to have it at the front, like might do a double intercooler setup maybe or something. I'm not sure yet, but I think we do need an intercooler because we need some sort of way of having, because if we're going to get a boost that early, we might as well make it to about 3k, put it back to normal, but have much more power. So I do want to try hit that 200 mark if we can, 200 horsepower. Because think about it, 1.4 running 200 bhp, that's kind of sick. For 2021 standards, maybe not. But for back when this car's made, a 2010 car, you'd never hear a 1.4 hitting 200. With that, and yeah, there's the supercharged version, but they have issues. This will be running 200 horsepower reliably. No issues, no problems. On a reliable backflipping daily. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that about halfway through the video I actually filled up with a full tank of V-Power, and it actually changed the tone of the exhaust. Like it actually went quite deep, like it just changed it. Like, you know, before I was saying I didn't like how it sounds, it actually sounds better now. It got rid of like the raspiness. It made it not drone as much anymore, and it just sounded so much better. You don't understand. On camera you can't tell the difference too much, but it did sound so much better. You don't understand, man. Oh yeah, let me show you guys something as well. Watch how mad this is. You know when you put your AC on, it uses a bit of petrol, so like your engine will slightly change tone and you'll lose a bit of power and stuff. Listen to this, yeah, watch this. I'll show you guys the sound of the exhaust right now. AC's off, okay. So listen to this. That's idling. Yeah, and you know, I'll give you, you guys heard the revs earlier. Now, I'll put AC on here, look, AC. Turn it on. Yep. There you go. It's kind of like choppy noise. You know, while the AC is on, I'll give you guys a few revs because it does pop a bit more and stuff. I'll try to get some pops for you, but watch. I'll put the AC on now and I'll give it a few revs. Did you guys hear that sound difference? It's actually kind of mad, isn't it? It's like a big difference. But in person, it doesn't drone anymore. It has a nice tone. Outside hasn't changed as much. It's like a little bit deeper. Inside you can't hit, and until you go past 2k, it's not like, you can tell it's there, but it's not annoying kind of thing. It's like, you know the exhaust is there obviously still. Like you can still hear it a little bit, but if you're on a cruise and like go on the motorway or anything, you won't hear it while you're just holding revs. You'll only hear it when you put your foot down now. Before it was annoying, you could hear it like all the time. It was a bit like drony. Now it's actually okay. So yeah, the exhaust actually sounds so sick right now. But let's carry on the video then. I think with the remap, this car will be a beast with a remap. You don't like, this car's gonna be sick. If you guys do want to see the remap, stay tuned, subscribe. I will be doing it soon. I know I've been saying for a long time, but before I wanted to sort out all the power mods and stuff. We haven't got the build finished yet. Like I want to get all the mods on before we map it, because there's no point getting the map done and then change stuff up. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing. Another thing is budget. Just got because I'm at uni. I was also got uni work. This I got like so many things to do. It's hard to get all the money for it, kind of thing. There's also and there's some other things, but that's it as well. I'm hoping around, I'd say. See, I don't want to name a date because then you guys are gonna hold me to it. That's the issue. I know you lot are, man. You guys hold me to it, whatever I say. But we're looking. I'd say latest around my birthday. I'd say latest, so March time. Latest that is though. I do want to get it once. I want to get it done much earlier if I can though. If possible, I do want to get it done much earlier. Yeah, I'm hoping latest though. I don't want to get it really done. It won't be later than next March. Nowhere near later than that, but it should be this. I'm hoping this year. But I also have another plan happening soon. I'm just waiting to find the right one, and then that's going to be introduced as well. So I've got stuff in the works. Like, just trust me with it. I know I keep saying that a remap's going to happen. I know it hasn't happened yet. I get that, but I have got a lot of content I'm trying to work on. There's loads of projects. I'm trying to start loads of things. See, that's the one good thing about having a 1.4 as well. I've been having a spirited drive, and I'm getting 35 mpg. That's just sick, man. Petrol on this thing lasts forever. If you're not in traffic, it lasts forever, man. It's so sick, you rarely have to fill up. I'd say if you're looking for a good daily, get a 1.4, stage 1 it, keep it as daily. I'd say do that, honestly. Because they're just, MPG and power wise, they're really good balance. They're enough fun, enough power to have, they're not, obviously not the fastest car in the world, they're a 1.4, but they're fast enough to have fun in. And then if you want to cruise around in it and just like eco drive, your petrol's good. It's honestly probably the best mix, I'd say. Alright, so that's it for the sports car video. Let me know what you guys think of it, and let me know what you guys actually think of the sound, the tone and everything. And actually, I'd say get it for your car. If you're going to do a mod and you're going to do exhaust stuff, do the sports car first and then do the exhaust, like the BACKBOX delete and stuff, because it might go too loud if you do the BACKBOX delete first. If you do the sports car first, you know what you're getting into for the BACKBOX. If you want to do a smaller one or bigger one or whatever. But yeah, and if you guys like the video, remember to hit the like button. It does help out a lot. Trust me, it helps out a lot. But yeah, and yeah, that's the sports car video done, and we've got some big plans for power now. You know what, I'm going to release everything here next year. I'm not going to set a date, but we first video in the next year, and trust me, it's going to be sick. And like, total plans have changed. I've spoken to garages, I've got stuff sorted out. We're going, let's just say we're going kind of big power here for what the engine is. For like 2 litre and stuff, obviously it's a small car compared to them, but for this engine it's quite decent power. But yeah, we've got some big plans. I'm going to release it all on Instagram probably first. You'll probably see like the behind the scenes and everything beforehand. So if you are interested in them, my Instagram link's down below, so just click on there, follow me on that. You'll see everything, be up to date with everything. But yeah, that's it for this video. Next video is going to be crazy. And to like, comment down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching.